There's a shadow on my shoulder, it won't let me be. A clock ticking louder, stealing pieces of me. Try to run, try to hide, but it follows my trace. It's a whirlwind of doubt, I can't escape its face. But I'll breathe, yeah. I'll fight through the haze. Step by step, I'll reclaim my days. The weight might bend me, but it won't break my spine. I'll find the light, it's waiting to shine. Voices in my head whisper, fears in the dark. Every corner I turn feels a mile apart. But I'm learning to fall without hitting the floor. Every stumble I've made builds a stronger core. So I'll breathe, yeah. I'll face down the storm, stand my ground, 'cause my spirit's born. The chains might bind me, but they won't define. I'll break them loose, their power's not mine. Oh, it's okay to falter, to feel a little weak. The cracks in the armor don't mean I'm incomplete. The battle's mine, but I'm my own guide. No mountain too steep when I hold on inside. So I'll draw every tear like a map for my way. Each moment of pain leads me to a new day. The shadow